Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share a Google Sheets file with others. Let's get started. First, open your Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now click the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. The Share window will open. Here, you can add people by entering their email addresses in the Add People and Groups box. You can also choose who can access your spreadsheet by using the General Access option. Next, choose the permission level. You can select Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, depending on what you want others to do with the file. If you want to share the spreadsheet using a link, click Copy Link and send the link to anyone you want. For this tutorial, I'm only showing you the sharing options, so I won't actually share the spreadsheet. That's it. This is how you can share a Google Sheets file with others. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.